Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by joining the meeting on the Teams desktop app because browser sessions can limit features. Once you're in, make sure you have organizer or tenant permission to record and that cloud recording is allowed. Open settings quickly to check your microphone and speaker devices. Choose a headset for consistent audio. Then select More Actions and hover over Record to prepare. Do this early so recording begins without missing introductions, and you avoid device switch interruptions during the call. Once done with setup, click More Actions and start recording. If you want captions, start transcription at the same time. Make sure you select the correct cloud destination, OneDrive for personal channel meetings or SharePoint for channel meetings, so the file appears where attendees expect. You should verify the consent banner appears for compliance and ask participants if their audio is audible. Adjust volumes or drop out noisy mics. Keep an eye on the recording indicator to ensure capture continues throughout. To finish, stop the recording from More Actions and confirm Teams shows the recording has uploaded. It typically processes to OneDrive or SharePoint automatically. After the meeting, find the link in chat or the channel and adjust sharing permissions so attendees can access it. If you discover audio is missing, first recheck your microphone selection and system audio settings. If recordings were blocked, it may be a policy. Ask IT. If necessary, upload a local backup audio file and timestamp notes for viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.